Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see what if we compress the time from beginning of the universe to present time in a simple yearly calendar, which is from 1st January to 31st December, and such a calendar is called cosmic calendar. I will show you the whole process from Big Bang to present time, from which you may have a question: where do humans stand in such a time period of the calendar? Is it for months, days, hours, minutes? To know the answer, watch till end. If you are a space enthusiastic, you don't wanna miss out such exciting experience. The main motive of the cosmic calendar is to fit the whole time period in the human calendar from beginning till now, which is 13.8 billion years. So even 1 second will be considered as more than 400 years, 1 hour as 1.5 million years, and 1 day almost about 40 million years. Let's begin. 1st January. At the beginning, there was a small ball of energy. It is the only far point we can come in the past. And suddenly the energy ball became so concentrated that there was a huge energy blast, thus Big Bang, from which heat, light, energy, everything came into existence. Then on 14th January, it is the time when oldest known gamma burst was formed, due to the collision of the star under the force of its own gravity. But how? Because it failed to produce enough energy to resist its own gravity. These gamma burst rays are the brightest and the most energetic electromagnetic events known to occur in the universe. These bursts can last from 10 milliseconds to several hours. As the time passed, on 22nd January, number of stars increased and they came close and formed the first ever galaxy our universe had. But till now, our home galaxy has not came into existence. And after passing of millions of years, on 6th March, our home galaxy, the Milky Way, was formed. But it was not in the actual shape we think it is. The stars were in a random manner. And after passing of millions of years, on 12th May, due to gravity between stars, our Milky Way disk was formed, which is the shape we see today. Even though after so much years, the Milky Way was missing the one thing in it. Could you guys guess it? Yes, our solar system, which took another set of billions of years to form. And at last, on 2nd September, our dearly solar system formed with our planet Earth, which was in the beginning stage. Yes, it took a lot of time if we compare in days. But even after passing of 9.8 billion years, we have a question knocking our mind. Why we humans, animals, were missing for such a long period? Then, the first life on Earth rised on 21st September, which we also know as prokaryotic cells. The first step towards life on Earth. You may think that at last life came to existence on Earth, so it will be soon for humans to appear. But in reality, we still have a long way to go. And that is the only surprise element in the cosmic calendar, that you will be shocked. On 30 September, some organisms evolved and started using photosynthesis to make their own food, which in return, on 29 October, helped the completion of oxygenation of the atmosphere. On 5th December, at last, the first multicellular life was formed and was ready to evolve, which led to simple animals after 2 days on 7th December, then fish and proto-amphibians on 17th December, land plants on 20th December, insect and seeds on 21st December, amphibians on 22nd December, reptiles on 23rd December, and mammals on 24th December. But even though those creatures doesn't came to existence, the dinosaurs, but after some time they also came and ruled the planet for millions of years. You are amazed, huh? That dinosaurs came this late and only 5 to 6 days are remaining for year to end. When will us humans appear? As I said you in the beginning that 1 second is more than 400 years and 1 day is almost about 40 million years. It is obvious that dinosaurs came this late. Well, then came 25th December. Merry Christmas. And after 2 days, on 27th December, the Pangea separated from the supercontinent. Then after 3 days, on 30th December, a strange event occurred. About 66 million years from now, an asteroid crashed over the Earth and wiped out all the dinosaurs and one-third of the life species on Earth. But as we say, there is always an beginning after an end. After the dinosaurs wiped out, another life form started emerging. And on 31st December at 6:05 am, apes came into existence. Then in afternoon on last date of the last month of cosmic calendar, the apes evolved and we humans existed as Homo sapiens. At night 11 hours 5 seconds, fire was discovered. At 11 hours 5 minutes 32 seconds, agriculture began to be practiced. Then from 11 hours 59 minutes 47 seconds to 11 hours 59 minutes 53 seconds, the era of Bronze Age to Iron Age ended. Then at 11 hours 59 minutes 54 seconds, Buddha, Mahavir and Ashoka Empire existed. At 11 hours 59 minutes 55 seconds, the Roman Empire existed and invention of zero took place. At 11 hours 59 minutes 58 seconds, Mughal Empire, Maratha Empire, the discovery of America by Christopher Columbus took place. And then there comes the modern history. At this time means before 1 second for 12 o'clock of night. All those things happened which we can see now. More than 400 years means even less than 1 second of cosmic calendar. We have advanced so much. All of human history only resides in those 8 hours of cosmic calendar. Everything we have has been from those 8 hours of cosmic calendar. In the last day of last month, and soon we will enter the new year. January 1. Happy New Year.